Muchinguri-Kashiri fights $122,000 compensation order over 2018 protest killings. The 4th of September 2025. Spread the love. By Lovemore, Defense Minister Appa Muchinguri-Kashiri has launched a bid to overturn a high court ruling ordering her to compensate the widow of a Harare man killed by soldiers during the August 2018 post-election protests. In April this year, Justice Maxwell Takuva ordered Muchinguri-Kashiri to pay $122,235 to suspicious Zimbabwe, the widow of Ishmael Kumar, who was shot dead on the 1st of August 2018 in central Harare. Kumar, a vendor, was among 6 civilians fatally shot when soldiers opened fire on demonstrators protesting delays in the announcement of presidential election results. The ruling came after Zimbabwe, represented by human rights lawyer KUTYA Kadzor of Zimbabwe Lawyers for Human Rights, ZLHR, successfully sued the defense minister. Justice Takuva declared the killing unlawful and awarded damages, $112,235 for loss of support to Zimbabwe and her children, and $10,000 for trauma and nervous shock. But Muchinguri-Kashiri has now filed an application to have the judgment rescinded, claiming she only became aware of the ruling on the 13th of August 2025, when Zimbabwe's lawyers served her with the order. She blamed her lawyer from the Attorney General's office for failing to attend the trial on the 29th of October 2024, suggesting the no-show may have been caused by technical challenges with the Integrated Electronic Case Management System, IECMS. The defense minister argued she should not be punished for what she termed the sins of her lawyer, while also disputing the damages as excessive and unreasonable. Muchinguri-Kashiri has asked that the case be referred back to the registrar of the High Court to be set down as an opposed matter. Her application is still awaiting a hearing date.